It's very important for the students to realize that the career they pick and the field that they pick should be something that they want to enjoy the rest of their lives.
There are a lot of opportunities for students to utilize three-dimensional printers in the workplace. So when we talk about 21st century careers, if we just gave kids the ability to print, they're actually walking away with ideas as to how I could use this moving forward.
I know what I'm going to get with a MakerBot. I know that it's going to work. I know how it's going to work.
The reliability was obviously a big factor because we didn't want to bring something in that would fail.
The reason why we continue to do what we do successfully is because of the customer service for MakerBot is outstanding. We get the parts we need, we get things fixed, we get replacements, whatever it might be, as soon as possible.
There was no guide when I started, and now that there's this opportunity to see how to use a 3D printer, how to load it, how to clear it, frees you to then focus on the teaching the children how to design.
We also have the Thingiverse for Education piece where now you have these things that have been developed by educators, and so instead of having to search through the whole volume of things, you just boop, you go to that one spot and there they are. And some, if not all, include lesson plans that go along with it. You know, that's a great resource.
I love the training. I love the fact that there's this curriculum now, that there's community.
After talking to teachers, we made the MakerBot Educators Guidebook so they would have tangible lessons that they could use in their classrooms.
I'm really excited about it because I think that the design industry has been talking about light manufacturing and prototyping. Having the technology in school that prepares them to fabricate and build and test gives them an edge that none of us had a few generations ago.